What's the meaning of bachelorhood? Bachelorhood. Bachelorhood.
Bachelorhood. Bachelorhood. Bachelorhood refers to the state or condition of being an unmarried man. It is a term that applies specifically to men who have not yet married and do not have a wife or partner. The word bachelor comes from the Old French term bachelor, which means a young knight or apprentice. In modern society, bachelorhood is often associated with freedom, independence, and a lack of commitment to a romantic partner. However, it can also come with its own set of challenges and responsibilities, such as managing one's finances, career, and personal life without the support or companionship of a spouse or significant other.